welcome back to my channel. I'm Amy and today I'm going to be showing you guys what my kids are getting in their Easter baskets. So if you are new to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and hit the like button if you like these types of videos. Alright, so I'm going to start with my daughters first. My daughter is Gracie June and she is 4 years old and her favorite color is pink. So I got her tons of pink stuff. Now most of the stuff that I got today is from Walmart. So if it's not from Walmart, I will tell you where I got it from. But I decided to get some things that they would use and that they needed. And then I also got them a few little fun things as well. But I tried to stay on the cheaper side, which is why I went to Walmart. I did go to Target, but they were pretty much out of everything that I wanted to get for them there. So I hit up Walmart and it did save me some money. Alright, so first of all, these baskets that I got for both of my kids, they've actually had these since 2015. My mom got all the grandkids a basket that year, and so Kaysen's actually says 2015 on it, but Gracie June's just has her name. So I'm going to start with her basket first. So the first thing I got her was this pink little bunny, and it was $2.98 from Walmart, and she loves stuffed animals, so this was perfect for her. And then both of my kids are in need of a loofah, so I got that from Walmart as well. The next thing I got was this little chalk, and it has trolls, and then it has the little holder right here so that you can actually hold it and not get it all over your hands. Gracie June's pretty messy, so I'm hoping this will kind of keep all the chalk off of her hands, but no guarantees. But I thought it was a cute little thing. She loves sidewalk chalk. And then she loves Hatchimals as well, so she keeps seeing the commercials and saying she wants some. So I did see these little bracelets, and they're kind of like one of those surprise packs. My kids love blind bags and things like that, so I got her that. It comes with 3 in a pack, and that was from Walmart. And then this came with 3 little bunny eye things, masks or whatever. It came with 3 in a pack as well, and it was only $1, so I went ahead and got that. That was like their little thing that they'll probably only have for a day before they lose it or break it. And then the next thing I got was Bambi. They both got a DVD, and so of all the DVDs that we have like every Disney movie that you can think of, but we do not have Bambi, so I'm excited about that. Can you tell? I'm excited about that. I'm sure that they'll love it. And then I got her some pink Peeps, and even though I don't like Peeps, my kids love them. Let me know in the comments below if you like Peeps or not, because I feel like this is what is the big controversial thing at Easter, is whether you like Peeps or not, because I feel like you either love them or you hate them. So I got her those. And then I got her some pink eggs to go in the basket. And I'll fill these up with, we usually put like quarters or sometimes we put candy, but we do a big Easter egg hunt with our family, and that's where they get most of their candy. But we also do, the night before Easter, we have a family tradition. For the last few years, we've been doing a glow-in-the-dark Easter egg hunt, so we get those little glow-in-the-dark bracelets from the Dollar Tree, and we just stick them in there, and they have like, we have to do it like 5 times because they're so quick to find all the eggs, but we just see who can get the most each time, and it's a lot of fun because there's no candy, but they get to do it like 5 times. Alright, and then the last thing that I got from Walmart was a nightgown for Gracie June. She loves kitty cats, so I got her this nightgown. And then the last 2 things that I got are not from Walmart. I got Gracie June these little sun sands, and I get these for her every year. And usually I get them off of Amazon, and they're like $35, but last year in like November, there was a boutique on Facebook that had a ton left in their stock, so they were selling them for like $27 each. So I got like 3 pairs of those, and she has a brown pair, a gold pair, and then these, and she's already gotten the brown and the gold, so I just decided to put these in her basket. And then the last thing that I got for Gracie June was this little plate, and it was only 97 cents at Target, and I've seen lots of people using these plates, and they said that they love them. They're BPA free, they're cheap, and they're easy for, like, my kids do not like their food to touch. So I'm super excited about these. Hers has a little bear on it, so I thought that was cute. And I did get some grass to go down in the bottom of their baskets as well. Alright, now I'm going to show you Kaysen's basket. And so see here, his has 2015 on it, but I was like, whatever. It's a great basket, and it's not something that they're gonna use all the time, but I do like it because we store them up in their closets and we actually keep stuff inside of their baskets when we're not using them year round. All right, so the first thing I got was his little gray bunny, and it's just like Gracie June's. And I also got him a loofah. And then this was the little mask from the 3-pack set. I got him that one. And then I got him a Paw Patrol one. I was kind of looking for some Avengers or something that was not so much baby, because he's 6, Kason is 6 years old, and he still likes Paw Patrol though, so I think he'll like this anyways. So I got him that. And then I did get him some little cheap flip-flops from Walmart, and they have little sharks on them. He needed some new ones. His feet grow so fast, so he can't wear any of his old flip-flops. All right, and then I also got him some blue eggs, just like Gracie June's, except they're blue. And I did like that these were like ombre color. I thought that was really cool. All right, and then I got him a pair of pajamas, and his are shark pajamas. So they were so cute. He is in desperate need of pajamas right now. I'm telling you, this boy grows so fast. Like, he can't wear anything from last year. So I got him that. And then he got some blue Peeps for his basket, and he really loves Peeps. And then for his movie, I got him Coco. If you have not seen this, it is the cutest movie ever. I love it. My kids, we went to the movie theater to see it, and Gracie June cried like 3 different times in the movie, and then she was like smiling and laughing and wiping off her tears because she loved it so much. All right, and then I got him, since I got Gracie June a little blind bag sort of thing, I got him a little, these are the Mash'ems, and this one is the Avengers one, so he would like that one. And then I saw these emoji frisbees, and now that I have this one, I probably should have picked one up for Gracie June, but she doesn't really know how to throw a frisbee anyway, so I guess they can throw it back and forth. But I got this one for Kason, and then the last thing that I got him was this little plate from Target as well, and this one has a fox on it. So that was the same one that I got for Gracie June, except this one has a fox. So that is all that I got for their Easter baskets. All right, so that was it for Kason's basket. So now I'm gonna show you guys, while we're talking about Easter, I'm gonna show you Gracie June's dress that she's wearing, and I just thought it was so cute. It's an Eleanor Rose dress, and this is pretty much the only thing that I will splurge on, but it's got like the little pink bunnies on it and the flowers, and it's so girly, and then it crosses in the back. I thought it was super cute, and I actually bought this. This is a resale that I bought on Facebook, but the reason I always get her these is because she does wear them at least 3 or 4 times during the season, sometimes more. And then also because they resale for so good, like as long as you don't get a huge stain on them or anything like that, but they do resell good, so that's why I got her that. So I thought that was super cute. All right, so that is all I'm going to show you today. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that you will give it a thumbs up, and let me know down in the comments what you're getting for your kids for Easter or what the Easter Bunny is bringing, and I would love to chat with you guys. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Bye, y'all.